Hi everyone, my question is describe various type of insurance and examine the nature of risks protected by each type of insurance. So answer is various type of insurance can be categorized as follows. Life insurance. Life insurance is an agreement in which one person, in exchange of a premium paid either in a smaller amounts or through periodic payments, commits to paying a certain sum of money to the beneficiary upon the death of insured person or at the end of a specified period. Second point, fire insurance. Fire insurance is a contract where the insurer, in exchange for the premium paid, agrees to compensate for any loss or damage caused by fire during a specified period. Typically, fire insurance policies are valid for 1 year and need to be renewed periodically. Next point, marine insurance. So marine insurance involves an agreement in which the insurer undertakes to provide compensation to the insured as mutual agreed against losses related to the ownership of a ship or cargo due to complete or partial loss while a sea. Other types of insurance. Health insurance. Health insurance safeguards against escalating medical expenses. It is an agreement between an insurer and an individual or group wherein the insurer agrees to provide a specific health uh, coverage at a predetermined cost. Premiums for health insurance can be paid in small amounts or in installments, and coverage varies depending on the policy and provider. Motor vehicle insurance. Motor vehicle insurance covers the owner's liability to compensate individuals who may be injured or harmed due to the negligence of motorists or drivers. Premium rates for motor insurance are typically standardized based on industry tariffs. Bur- Burglary insurance. This type of insurance falls under property insurance. It covers losses or damages to household goods, personal effects, and property due to theft, larceny, larceny, bur- burglary, house breaking, or similar events with compensation provided for the actual loss incurred. Cattle insurance. The cattle insurance is an agreement that secures a sum of money for the assured individual in the event of the death of animal such as bulls, buffaloes, cows, and heifers due to accidents, disease, uh, par- parturition, or pregnancy-related conditions. Crop insurance. The crop insurance provides financial support to farmers in case of crop failure due to factors like drought or floods. This insurance covers nearly all risks related to the production of crops such as rice, wheat, millets, oilseeds, and pulses. Sport insurance. Sport insurance offers comprehensive coverage for ama- amateur sports enthusiasts, including their sporting equipment, personal effects, legal liability, and personal accidents risks. It can also extend coverage to named family members residing with the insured for specified sports activities, but professional athletes are typically not eligible. Okay. अंतर्य सेन शिक्षा योजना इंश्योरेंस. This policy provided by the General Insurance Company insures the education of dependent children. It offers compensation if the insured parent or legal guardian sustains bodily injury resulting solely and directly from an accident leading to death or permanent total disablement within 12 months of the accident. The insurer covers expenses from the date of the accident until the policy's expiry or the completion of the covered course, whichever occurs first. Rajeshwari Mahila Kalyan Bima Yojana. This policy is designed to provide relief to the family members of insured women in case of their death or disability resulting from accidents related to issues affected women specifically. These various types of insurance serve different purposes and offer protection against a range of risks and uncertainties. So thank you. Like, share, subscribe. So thank you.